TJ Maxx, guys. I found more niche. Let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are back with another rack store pickup, and this time I was able to find a niche fragrance in my local TJ Maxx. I'm really excited to try this one. I paid a fair price for it. It's one that gets some love in the community. So really quickly, if this is your first time finding my channel, my name is Gerard. We talk about fragrances and do videos like I'm doing today, where I go into my local rack stores, my TJ Maxx's, my Marshalls, and I try to find really fantastic deals on men's fragrances. So if that is content that you think you want to see more of, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on bell notifications so you are updated whenever I upload something new. But let's not waste any more time. I'm going to show you guys footage from the store, and then we're going to get into the scent. So you guys know I had to do it. I ended up grabbing Montal's Chocolate Greedy. And I paid $79.99, which is a fair price for the 100 ml. You can get it on online discounters for roughly around the same price. Some people have it cheaper. Some people have it a little more expensive. You have to factor in shipping costs. And if you're only buying one fragrance, a lot of the times you're going to have to pay for shipping. And then you find yourself spending even more money because you throw other fragrances in that you might not necessarily be crazy about buying. You just want to get the free shipping. I've been there, I know. So sometimes it is worth it finding it at the rack store and in person. Plus, I do it for the fun of these videos to show you what it is possible to find in your rack stores. Now, much like other niche fragrances that I found in the rack store, you can tell by the sticker that this was indeed a store return, and it was found in the women's perfume case. Now, most Montals, including Chocolate Greedy, are unisex fragrances, so I find that a lot of the times they're in the women's perfume section rather than the men's cologne section, so to speak. So let's take a look at the bottle and the packaging. And as I always do, I'm going to try this on skin today. I'm going to wear it. I'm going to talk more about it in my weekly wears video in terms of performance. I heard this is beast mode. So I really like these little bags that Montal sends their fragrances in. Pretty cool. It's kind of this silk probably fake silk polyester bag type thing. It's got the drawstring on the top. And then you have the bottle. So it's silver. Oh, the little thingy fell off. I don't know if you can make out the name there. There's a lot of reflective light there. Let me grab what just fell. You have this little clamp here, basically to throw on the atomizer so it doesn't accidentally spray. Let's take a look at the atomizer. Not bad. Pretty good atomizer. I'm not crazy about these presentations of the bottles. It reminds me of like a hairspray bottle or something. Okay, wow. Whoa. Chocolate is right. I'm getting a lot of chocolate in the air. Whoa. Okay, it's strong too. Doesn't smell bad. It actually smells like something baking, like cocoa powder, cookies, or something like that. So very gourmand in the air. You know what it does remind me slightly of is like chocolate cereal. It has a little bit of vanilla. It's creamy, like Count Chocula or something like that. Oh, wow. Okay. Off of skin, it's a little different. It's has a little bit of a citrus feel to it. Orange, zesty, a little, maybe like an orange peel. Along with that chocolate. One thing I will say is that some Montals that I've tried have been really sort of in your face harsh in the opening. This smells really smooth. I'm really enjoying the opening here. It's not too much. You could spray and go. You don't have to worry too much about needing, 15, 20 minutes to settle in and not turn anybody off. At least with this one right now. There's no woods to speak of. There's no florals to speak of. This is straight up gourmand. Without question. Lots of chocolate, has that sort of cakey, cookie type vibe, something baking, the vanilla, it's a little bit creamy, still getting that cereal vibe. It does have slightly this feeling of like the holidays, and maybe it's just because it is so gourmand. It reminds me of growing up, my mother baking something in the house, getting ready for the holidays. It does kind of have that vibe to it. So just initial impressions, I'm thinking cold weather scent, cooler weather. Probably not something that I would wear to the office. Definitely not something I would wear to the office. This is more of a fun, relaxing, sort of comforting type fragrance that you're going to want to wear with like a hoodie or a sweater and just very casually. So far, so good. It is, I tested one. I grabbed Dolce & Gabbana Devotion a week or so ago. If you haven't watched that video, go check it out. Very much in the same wheelhouse as that scent. That one has candied lemon. This one is more orange zest. That one has vanilla. This one definitely has vanilla. That one is a little more focused on the panna cotta note, which is an Italian dessert. This one more focused on the chocolate. So they don't smell the same, but they're in the same sort of vein of fragrances, that gourmand, sweet, fun, casual, probably going to get some compliments, some positive attention, especially for those with a sweet tooth. I'm going to take a look at the notes really quickly to let you guys know what's in here and see how this changes. I'm also going to get my wife's opinion. I'd be curious to see what she thinks of this one. I don't think she's going to like it. She doesn't like sweet and vanilla. We'll see. The notes for Montals: chocolate greedy, cacao, vanilla, tonka bean, bitter orange, dried fruits, and coffee. I'm not necessarily picking up the coffee prominently, but there are times where coffee comes across just a little bit powdery on my skin, and that is happening here. And so it's very possible that is causing that powderiness. So just keep that in mind if you're kind of turned off to powdery fragrances. This is 100% unisex. However, I just imagine a girl smelling like this over a guy. Doesn't mean a guy can't wear this. It is, for me though, one that would be very limited into when I'd be wearing it. However, that doesn't mean I don't like the smell. I think this smells really nice. I'd love to smell this on my wife. I think she could pull this one off. Speaking of that, though, she's not crazy about it. She was getting like a food-flavored holiday candle vibe from it, the same sugar cookie vibe that I was getting. But she also said the orange smells a little disconnected from the rest of the fragrance. I can kind of see that, but as this dries down, it is blending a little better, and I think she would probably say the same. Her thing is, she just said outright, I don't want to smell like food. If you don't want to smell like food, you're not going to like this one. It's one of the best gourmands that I've ever smelled in terms of authenticity. So it's very authentic smelling. It smells like food. If you like sweets and you like that gourmand vibe, this one could be a winner. I'm going to wear this today. It's roughly in the 50s where I'm at in the Boston area. I'm going to put this on and just see what it does and see how it changes and see what type of performance I get from it, and let you guys know more in my weekly wears video. But I would love to know what you guys think of Montal's Chocolate Greedy. Is this one that you've tried? Is it one that you want to try? Drop it in the comment section down below. But if you like what you saw today, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Hit that bell notification so you are updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.